ASSISTments has now added several new features and tools for teachers to help make work easier, more efficient, and more impactful. Here's what's new. With pinned content, you can save our most frequently used content in one place. If you're teaching solely from Unit 2 this month, you can click on the pin icon next to the unit title to keep it handy at the top of Find and Assign. We've also added the ability to quickly preview solutions as you browse the content library, making it even easier to choose the right problems for your students. Now you can set up custom school terms in ASSISTments. Whether you're on trimesters, semesters, or quarters, select your preferred dates to filter assignments by term and to view student progress and reports within your set school terms. Students can now bookmark questions they're unsure about so that they can easily return to them later. They can also revise their open responses before finishing to ensure they're submitting their best work. With this update, students can easily go back, edit their open responses, and make meaningful improvements before turning in their work. We take this one step further with upgrades to test mode, allowing students to revise their answers as they would with paper and pencil testing. Skill builders are now more engaging for students with the addition of progress stars. As students answer questions correctly, stars in the upper right-hand corner fill up, giving them immediate positive feedback. If they miss a question, their progress stars explode and reset, encouraging them to try again and really focus on getting it right. If you create custom problem sets for your class, you can share the whole folder with colleagues. They'll see it instantly in their Shared With Me folder, ready to use or adapt for their students' needs. Be sure to check out our user guides at assistments.org for support on implementing these new features. We hope these updates help you and your students have a great year.